Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could shape the future of military defense? Picture a world where decisions on the battlefield are made with the speed and precision of a machine, where risks are meticulously calculated and minimized. But what if this same technology falls into the wrong hands? Could we be inadvertently creating the ultimate weapon? And what ethical dilemmas does this usher in? Let's delve into this fascinating topic and weigh the potential benefits and risks. First, let's explore the potential advantages of integrating AI into military defense strategies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to impact the world of military defense with unprecedented strength. It's like introducing a new player to the chessboard, a player with capabilities that far surpass the traditional norms. One of the most significant benefits of AI in military defense is the increased accuracy and efficiency it offers. Imagine a world where strategic decisions are made faster, where responses to threats are calculated in microseconds, and where precision is not just an aim, but a guarantee. AI can help militaries make more accurate and efficient decisions, leading to increased operational effectiveness. Moreover, AI can help reduce the risks associated with military operations. Casualties and collateral damage could be minimized, as AI systems could predict and prevent potential threats before they even take form. It's like having a guardian angel watching over the battlefield, providing an extra layer of protection that could save countless lives. But the promise of AI doesn't stop there. It also brings the potential for new capabilities to the fore. The ability to detect and track targets with greater precision, for instance, could change the game of warfare. The development of new weapons and defense systems powered by AI could redefine the boundaries of military strength and defense strategies. And let's not forget about the speed. In a realm where every second counts, the ability of AI to process information at lightning speed could be the difference between victory and defeat. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't get tired. It's always on, always ready, and always alert. In a nutshell, integrating AI into military defense strategies could turn the tide of warfare, making it more precise, efficient, and safer. It could be the key to unlocking a new era of military prowess and strategic dominance. Clearly, AI holds considerable promise in revolutionizing military operations, but what about the potential downsides? As with all powerful tools, it's essential to consider the risks as well as the rewards, but that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. While the benefits of AI in military defense are significant, it's essential to consider the potential risks and challenges. Let's start with the financial aspect. Implementing AI technology in military defense is no small investment. The cost of developing, testing, and maintaining AI systems can run into billions of dollars. This financial burden may not be feasible for every nation, creating a new form of technological divide. Moreover, the cost doesn't stop at development. AI systems require continuous updates and improvements to remain effective against evolving threats, leading to ongoing expenses. Then, we have the issue of confidentiality. AI systems generate vast amounts of data, some of which can be highly sensitive. This raises concerns about data security and privacy. Protecting this data from cyber attacks and ensuring its safe storage and handling is a significant challenge. A breach of this data could have catastrophic consequences, compromising national security and endangering lives. Lastly, and perhaps most critically, are the ethical considerations. AI has the potential to create autonomous weapons, machines capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention. This raises profound ethical questions. Who is responsible if an autonomous weapon makes a wrong decision, resulting in civilian casualties? Can we ever truly relinquish control of such critical decisions to machines? And on a more philosophical level, should we? The debate around killer robots or lethal autonomous weapons systems is already heated. Some argue that these machines could minimize human errors and limit collateral damage. However, others contend that they could be misused, leading to increased conflict or even sparking a new arms race. So, while AI holds great promise for revolutionizing military defense, it's not a silver bullet. It brings its own set of challenges, financial, security-related, and ethical. These concerns need to be addressed responsibly and thoughtfully to ensure that we're not opening Pandora's box in our pursuit of technological advancement. It's evident that while AI could transform military defense, it also brings about a host of complex issues. With these pros and cons in mind, how should we approach the integration of AI in military defense? It's an essential question, and one that doesn't yield a simple answer. Weighing the benefits and risks of AI in military defense is a complex balancing act. On one hand, we have the tantalizing promise of increased accuracy, efficiency, and the development of new capabilities. On the other, we face daunting challenges such as high costs, confidentiality issues, and ethical dilemmas. To navigate this intricate landscape, we must approach the integration of AI in military defense with utmost caution and responsibility. And this responsibility doesn't just lie with the military or the tech companies developing these AI systems. It's a shared responsibility that calls upon governments, international organizations, and society at large. Before AI can be fully integrated into military defense, we need to address the risks responsibly. This includes developing robust security measures to protect sensitive data and investing in research and development to manage costs. It also implies establishing ethical guidelines for the use of AI, particularly when it comes to autonomous weapons that can make life or death decisions without human intervention. But addressing these risks isn't a one-time task. It requires an ongoing dialogue, constant reassessment, and regular updates to regulations as technology evolves. This dialogue should be inclusive, bringing together experts from various fields such as technology, ethics, law, and military strategy. It should also be transparent, with clear communication to the public about how AI is being used in military defense. Regulation plays a crucial role in this process. We need comprehensive and proactive laws that can guide the use of AI in military defense while ensuring the protection of human rights and international law. These regulations should be flexible enough to adapt to rapid technological advancements and robust enough to prevent misuse. In essence, the integration of AI into military defense is not just a technological issue, but a societal one. It's about striking the right balance between harnessing the potential of AI and mitigating its risks, all while upholding our shared values and principles. The road to integrating AI into military defense is a challenging one, filled with opportunities and potential pitfalls. But with careful planning, responsibility, and ongoing dialogue, we can navigate this road together. Now that we've delved into this topic, what are your thoughts on AI in military defense? It's a subject that is teeming with potential, yet fraught with ethical dilemmas. Do you see the implementation of AI as a boon, enhancing efficiency and reducing risks? Or do you view it as a bane, raising concerns about cost, confidentiality, and control? Perhaps you're somewhere in between, acknowledging the immense promise of AI, while also recognizing the serious challenges it presents. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's essential to consider all perspectives. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a military defense expert, a skeptic, or simply a curious observer, your opinion counts. So, don't hold back. Share your thoughts, spark a conversation, engage with others. As we grapple with the complexities of AI in military defense, every viewpoint helps to enrich the dialogue, to balance the scales. Your thoughts and insights matter. They add depth to this complex discussion. As we've seen, AI's role in military defense is a fiercely debated topic. We've traversed through the labyrinth of possibilities, discussing the potential benefits and pitfalls of integrating this rapidly developing technology into the structures of military defense. We reflected on the potential for increased accuracy and efficiency in operations, the tantalizing prospect of reducing risks associated with military maneuvers, and the exciting frontier of new capabilities that AI could unlock. From enhanced target detection to the development of innovative weapons and defense systems, the opportunities seem vast and promising. Yet we also ventured into the darker corners of this technological advancement. The financial burden of implementing AI into military defense cannot be overlooked. The vast volumes of sensitive data generated also raise the spectre of security and privacy concerns. And perhaps the most chilling aspect we touched on was the ethical dilemma posed by autonomous weapons. Machines capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention. The balance between the promise and perils of AI in military defense is a delicate one. It's an intricate dance of potential and precaution, innovation and introspection. As we move forward, it becomes increasingly clear that addressing these risks responsibly is not merely a suggestion, but an absolute necessity. We find ourselves at the cusp of a new era where technology and defense intertwine in unprecedented ways. There is no doubt that AI has the potential to transform the landscape of military defense. But it's equally undeniable that this transformation must be navigated with care, responsibility, and a deep understanding of the possible repercussions. This journey through the realm of AI in military defense is far from over. There are still countless avenues to explore, questions to answer, and debates to settle. And that's where you come in. Your curiosity, your thirst for knowledge, your ability to question and understand are what will drive this discussion forward. So, let's continue this journey together. If you're intrigued by the complexities of AI in military defense and want to dive deeper into this fascinating subject, you're in the right place. For more intriguing discussions on technology and defense, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.